This video will introduce the bioskin and tell you how to make it by yourself. Bioskin is a cost-effective tactile sensor which integrates both normal shear force detection and temperature regulation function. The material cost of bioskin is less than $10. Rely on its multimodal design and unique temperature regulation function. Bioskin can achieve high anti-interference and material recognition ability. You can check our publishing for more detail. First, you need to prepare the heating wire and thermistor that have been soldered with enameled wire, all the 3D printed models I provided, and 5 magnets. For the detailed parameters, please check our GitHub documents. We installed magnets on the back to prevent the front magnets from attracting each other during fixation. Please pay attention to the polarity of the magnets here to ensure that the back-facing magnet in the first square can trigger the Hall sensor. Place the 5 magnets into the first square. Next, place the thermistor into another container, following the method shown in the video. Similarly, wrap the heating wire around the mold by following the video. Next, mix dragon skin in a 1:1 ratio in any container and stir thoroughly. Pour a portion into the container with the thermistor and make sure the thermistor is fully covered. Then pour the mixture into the container with the magnets, making sure they are fully covered and that the dragon skin fills all the gaps. Repeat the same process by pouring the remaining dragon skin onto the heating wire mold, ensuring all the heating wire is fully covered. Finally, wait at least 1 hour to allow the dragon skin to fully solidated. After it has solidified, remove the gel containing the magnets. Flip it over and place it into the second square. Take out 5 springs of size 0.4555 mm. Place the springs into the gaps and fix them using the limit frames. Prepare a new batch of dragon skin and pour it into the limit frame, making sure all the springs are fully covered. After that, use any small plastic object and place it in the center of the limit frame to leave space for the central magnet. Wait for all the dragon skin to fully solidated, then remove the gel pieces containing the magnets and the heating wire. Place the heating wire into the container with the thermistor as shown in the video, making sure the leads of both components extend out of the container. Make 4 cuts in the magnet part to allow the leads to pass through. Pour the prepared dragon skin into the container, ensuring that all gaps are completely filled. Place the magnet section into the container, allowing the 4 leads to pass through. Press down from the top to expel the air inside. Once solidated, open the mold and remove any excess material. You now have the core part of the bioskin. Next, trim the conductive film to the dimensions of the core's lateral surface, as it will serve for shear force detection. Prepare 8 pieces of enameled wire, each 2 centimeters long, and strip the insulation from both ends. Also prepare 4 flexible PCBs for shear force sensing. Solder the components as shown in the video. Apply double-sided tape to the back of the flexible PCB. Attach the PCB inside the 3D printed sensor frame as shown in the video. Before final assembly, we need to check whether all components are soldered properly. Connect the sensor and multiplexer PCB, then link to the ESP32 as shown in the video. For PCB layout, component models, and the ESP32 program, please refer to the project's GitHub page. Connect the ESP32 to your computer, and if you can observe values, like those shown in the figure via the serial monitor, it indicates that the soldering is correct. Next, assemble the frame and sensor PCB, then soldering the shear force leads. Place the core into the frame and remember to let the leads of heating wire and thermistor go through the sensor PCB. Cut the leads to the proper length, then soldering them together. Well done! You almost complete your bioskin. The final step is install the backplate to protect the sensor. You can also install the converter if you want to install the bioskin to the leap hand. Thank you for your watching. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us.